Welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. In this session, guys, we will be doing the mock test of strength of material, guys. We are having total 15 questions today, and of course, the level of questions will be much easier than the GATE, as GATE in every question approximately 3 minutes are given, but in ISRO it will be around a ratio of 1:1. Okay, approximately. That is why the level of questions of ISRO for not only SOM, for every subject is much lesser than the GATE level. And we are having 15 questions today, and for cutoff, okay, you should be scoring more than 12 marks. This is my Telegram group, civil by Abhinav sir, guys. More than 5,000 students have already joined. If you also want to be updated, you can also join here, guys. Okay, engineering services mains result is out, and if you also want to get the free mock interviews, last year also in civil engineering branch we have conducted the mock interviews, and many of the students from there got the top ranks in the country. If you want to wish the free mock interview, guys, you can come, or you can register. The link is in the description. You can fill that form, and the interviews will be in the Noida center, and from 11th to 12th of September. Guys, this Sunday ka funda this time. What is the cause of massive destruction in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand? Is it man-made or natural disaster? Okay, this will be tonight, or not tonight, this will be on Sunday, guys. Hi Nandu, how are you? And guys, every day 5 p.m. I'm here for in the app free sessions. Today I'll be doing at 5 p.m. Then 10 a.m. on Aptitude and Maths will be on Saturday and Sunday. Moving forward, guys, are you ready, guys? Everybody on the comment section. Okay. This Sunday ka funda will be this. Okay, this Sunday ka funda. Cause of massive destruction in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Tell me, guys, ready everyone? Shall we start? Okay, this is the question number 1. Total it will be 15 questions, and cutoff will be, okay, it's better to score more than 12, but cutoff will be 10. 52 seconds left. Everybody on the comment section, guys. Please let me know. Come on, everyone. Hi, everyone. Do it fast. And let me know your answers. Let me know your answers, guys. Okay, good. B. The stress level below which a material has a high probability of not failing under reversible stress is called as endurance limit. Okay, guys, let me tell you the graph. If on x-axis I plot n, that is number of cycles for failure, and on y-axis I plot the stress, okay, the stress at which the failure will occur, then the graph will be like this. Okay, higher the magnitude of stress, less number of cycles will be there. Okay, higher the magnitude of stress, less number of cycles are there for the failure. And if lesser is the magnitude of stress, more number of cycles will be there. Okay, cyclic loading is, if this material is like this, one time it is like this, or then like this, then like this, then like this. It is cyclic loading. Like in highway, vehicle is not every time coming, so there will be load. After some time there is no load. Then after some time other vehicle come, there is load. After some time another there is no vehicle, there is no load, like this. Okay, so guys, here there is a particular limit below which you will not be finding any graph. Okay, so there is no failure there. So that is called as endurance limit. And guys, this many of the students know. Let me tell you the 2 other factors which may be asked. Because what we think that the questions that are asked in the previous years, either in HPCL, either in GATE, either in engineering services, that is the syllabus. But it is not like that. Okay, it is not. Guys, audio video perfectly fine, na? भाई एक बार बता दो, ऑडियो वीडियो परफेक्ट है? जल्दी से बता दो. Okay, so 2 more things I want to add here. The first one is, as the corrosion percentage increases, the endurance limit will decrease. Okay, endurance limit will decrease. Second point, this endurance limit is how much numerically, approximately how much? Is how much, guys? It is approximately of half of ultimate stress. Okay, whatever is the ultimate stress, the maximum stress it can resist, it is approximately, not exactly, not exactly, it is approximately half of that. So these 2 points you have to take care of. Okay, might be everybody knows what is endurance limit. Might be everybody knows what is the endurance limit, but these 2 points you should be knowing. Okay, please put a heart sign on the comment box, guys. Come on, everyone. Cut off for today is 10 out of 15, but you have to score better, yaar. For today, let me write on comment box, is 10 out of 15 questions, but you should score by more than this. Okay, bhai, ek bar share bhi kar dena session. Please share the session as well. Let us move to question number 2 now. The stress at which a ductile metal generally fails. Here I'll be telling you very interesting things. Stress at which a ductile metal generally fails. जल्दी बता दो यार, फटाफट से. फटाफट से बता दो. सी, आपने मार्क्स काउंट करके रहना भाई. ओके, एटलीस्ट यू शुड बी स्कोरिंग 10 आउट ऑफ 15 क्वेश्चंस गाइज, तब जाके बात बनेगी. ओके, एक्चुअल में तो यू शुड बी स्कोरिंग मोर देन दैट ऑल्सो. चलो ठीक है गाइज. क्या बोला आपने? सी सी सी. पूजा इज सेइंग डी. ओहो, अदर स्टूडेंट्स. So there are mixed reactions among the students. What about others? Tell me. Guys, ductile metal is weak in shear. Ductile metal generally fails in shear stress. Okay. Ductile materials fails in shear, and brittle material is weak in normal stress. So brittle materials fails in normal stress. Let me tell you guys why there is cup cone failure for mild steel. Why it is at 45 degree. See, this is mild steel which is ductile. This is mild steel which is ductile. Suppose I apply the force here. Okay. Now here the failure is like this. Okay, and you call it at 45 degree and you call it cup cone failure. Okay, you call it cup cone failure. But my question is, why 45 degree? Not 45, 46 degree, not 90 degree, not 52 degree. Okay, let me tell you. Guys, see, suppose I am taking this plane. Okay, this plane or this plane, both are same. Both are same. Now in this plane XX, on this plane XX, only normal stress is coming. That is P by A, and shear is not coming. Shear is not coming. Correct? Now if I draw the Mohr circle for this, if I draw the Mohr circle for this mild steel, please do check that one normal stress. This is shear stress is 0, so this is principal stress. This is principal, because at every plane where shear stress is 0, it is principal stress. Okay, so one principal stress is P by A. One principal stress is P by A. Another principal stress is at 90 degree. Another principal stress is at 90 degree. So at here, what is the principal stress? 0. At 90 degree from this, the principal stress is 0. So another principal stress will be here. So Mohr circle will be like this. Mohr circle will be like this. Give me yes or no. Mohr circle will be like this. Give me yes or no. Okay, why? Because one principal stress is P by A, which is here, and in this direction there is no stress. Okay, so where is tau max? Tau max is here. This is tau max, and tau max is at how much degree? Tau max is at how much degree? Tau max is at how much degree? 90 degree. Tau max is at 90 degree from this plane, where P by A is acting, it is 90 degree in Mohr circle. In Mohr circle, it is 90 degree. So in real life, it is how much? In real Mohr circle, it is 90 degree. So real life, maximum tau max from principal stress at how much degree? 45 degree. So from this plane, the maximum shear wala plane, the plane where maximum shear stress is coming, is at 45 degree. That is why the 45 degree is the weakest plane and most prone to failure, because at 45 degree from this plane, tau is maximum and ductile metal is weak in shear. Have you understood, guys, why it is cup cone failure at 45 degree today? Have you understood? If you understood, put a heart sign in the comment box. Everybody, please put a heart sign on the comment box if you understood the concept today. Why it is 45 degree? Everybody teaches you it is 45 degree. But why 45 here? Not 46, not 52. So in BYJU'S example, I will be getting all these things. Okay. Now that is the reason that when we draw the failure pattern of brittle material, if it is brittle material, then the failure will be from here only, because brittle material fail in normal stress, and this is the plane where principal stress is acting. So maximum normal is acting. Okay, let us move to now question number 3. 15 questions we are doing, guys. Cut off for today's session is 10 out of 15 questions. Come on. The material in which large deformation is possible before absolute failure by rupture is called as large deformation is possible before failure. Large deformation is possible before failure. That is called as a ductile material. Okay, that abey jaldi bata do. That is called as ductile material. Okay. Now please see one more thing here, that only exception is rubber. Because for rubber, if you draw the stress strain curve, it is fracture at large strain, but still rubber is ductile or brittle? Rubber is considered to be brittle, even with it is failing with large deformation. Still it is brittle, because actual definition of rubber is, or actual definition of brittle is not, it should not be large strain failure. The post elastic strain should be more. Here the elastic limit is here. Okay, and if the post elastic strain after elastic limit is less than 5%, then it is brittle. Okay, then it is brittle. For a material to be ductile, not strain should be more, post elastic strain should be more than 5%, and here post elastic strain is less than 5%, therefore it is failure. Okay guys, so except rubber, for all other materials we can take this, that for all other materials except rubber, if strain is large at failure, post elastic strain is also more. Okay, good. Aman, kaun hai? Abhay Parmar. Now question number 4, guys. Please take in mind the cutoff for today's 15 questions. 10 out of 15 questions, guys. Keep sharing the session so that more and more commandos can join in. Come on. Chalo, a material has identical elastic properties in all directions. Let me tell you what is isotropic, what is homogeneous. If at a point, any property, maybe alpha, maybe Young's modulus, anything, here is, suppose here the property is alpha, or coefficient of thermal expansion is alpha, then is in this direction also it is elongating with same proportion, with the same amount of temperature increase, alpha, and here alpha, that is isotropic. Okay, so in B point also, if this is in B point, this is beta, this on all directions property are same, it is isotropic. In all directions, at a point or all directions the property is same. Might be at two different points, property can be different, but at a point in all directions property are same. at a point in all direction property same. Might be at two different points, it can be different. Now what is homogeneous? What is homogeneous? Homogeneous says not point is not important, direction is important. That at A point in this direction property is alpha, so at B point also in this direction the property should be alpha, whatever. Okay, so here direction is important. At a particular direction A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Z, all points in X direction the property should be same. Similarly in Y direction if the property is beta, then here also it is beta. Okay, at A point property in X and Y can be different. But yes, at X direction A and B should be same. At Y direction A and B is same. But isotropic saying no, at A and B it can be different. But at A all points should be same. And in our SOM homogenization is ज़्यादा फास्ट इंग्लिश बोलने में दिक्कत हो जाती है. Our SOM, what is the assumption? The material is homogeneous and isotropic both. Our assumption is homogeneous and isotropic both. So our point is A. Since it is isotropic, so it is alpha, alpha, alpha. Since it will be, it is homogeneous also. So if this is alpha, this is also alpha due to homogeneous, and due to isotropic, it is alpha, alpha, alpha. So in our SOM, all points, every direction, property is same. Question number 5. Question number 5. Everybody, please let me know. फटाफट से guys, जल्दी से बता दो. Given that for an element in a body of homogeneous isotopic material subjected to plane stress epsilon x, epsilon y, and epsilon z are normal strains in x and y direction, and mu is the Poisson ratio, the magnitude of unit volume change of the material is given by. Okay. सोच लो भाई, किसने बताया? प्रकाश. चेंज कर दिया. प्रकाश. पूजा. Prakash changed the answer from B to C. Prakash changed the answer from B to C. यार अब हो गया चंद्रयान 3 लॉन्च, वो सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग हो गया, तो अब मेरे को लग रहा है सोचेंगे जो पहले वादा किए थे बच्चों से, और कुछ फॉर्म निकाले थे, अब याद आ रहा होगा उनको, तो अब कर लेते हैं. अब आ जाना चाहिए, अक्टूबर तक ही होगा, सितंबर के तो चांस नहीं है. मतलब डेट आ जाएगी, एग्जाम अक्टूबर में ही होगा. लाइक करते रहना सेशन को. चलो देखो, अब इसका वॉल्यूम चेंज करना है ना, तो इसका वॉल्यूम मैट्रिक्स चेंज होता है डेल्टा वी बाई वी. डेल्टा वी हम लिखते हैं डेल्टा एल बी डी, डेल्टा बी एल डी प्लस डेल्टा डी एल बी अपॉन एल बी डी. तो यहां से वॉल्यूमेट्रिक स्ट्रेन होगा डेल्टा एल बाय एल, डेल्टा बी बाय बी, डेल्टा डी बाय डी. सबसे पहले एक चीज आपको विजुलाइज कराता हूं. आई लेट मी मेक यू विजुलाइज वन थिंग दैट आई गेस दैट नेवर यू हैव विजुलाइज दैट थिंग. नेवर एवर you have visualized that thing. And from here, this is epsilon x, epsilon y plus epsilon z. This is epsilon x plus epsilon y plus epsilon z. So delta v by v, the unit volume change for volume v is equal to 1. This is this. So Prakash has given the answer first, correct? Prakash Khan has given the answer correct, B. But after seeing the answer of Pareya, he has changed to C, or might be due to himself only. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Now let me make you visualize this. See, why delta, the volume is this, everybody knows. But why delta V is this? See, visualize this. Here the length changes. Here the length changes. How much delta L? This length. So delta L length change. How much is the volume? This area is BD. Guys, this area is BD. This one. This area is BD. So what is this extra volume? I hope you are visualizing my poor 3D skills. Okay, my skills, my 3D is poor, but I guess your visualization is much better. So what is this volume? Delta L into BD. आ रहा है क्या? delta L into BD. Similarly, here it will be delta D into LB. This area is LB. So delta D into LB will be the volume here. Similarly, this. Have you understood? Have you understood? Please let me know. क्या मैग्नीट्यूड पूछे हमने? द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ यूनिट वॉल्यूम चेंज. हाँ, देन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ यूनिट वॉल्यूम चेंज यही तो हुआ. ये एप्सिलॉन एक्स प्लस एप्सिलॉन वाई प्लस एप्सिलॉन जेड. बताओ बताओ क्या कहना चाह रहे हो? यही तो हुआ. पॉइजन कहाँ है यहाँ पे? पॉइजन यहाँ पे कहाँ आया? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ यूनिट वॉल्यूम चेंज ऑफ द एलिमेंट. यही तो आया, एप्सिलॉन एक्स एप्सिलॉन वाई प्लस एप्सिलॉन जेड. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. चलो, and at the end guys of 15 questions, everyone please tell me that how much you score. Chalo, a solid metal bar of uniform diameter and length L is hung vertically from a ceiling. If the density of the material is rho and the modulus of elasticity is E, then the total elongation due to its own weight. Due to its own weight. No force is acting. Due to its own weight, where the length is L, diameter is D, and this is rho. What is that? Okay. So, the delta is equal to rho L square by 2E. If you want derivation, it's your choice. If you want derivation also, take this section at x distance from here. Take a very small element dx. Okay, at x distance from here, take a very small element dx. What is the deflection PL by A? So P will be this load. Either you have to see from bottom or top. Top से देखो तो reaction में देखना पड़ जाएगा. So better to see from top, bottom. Force is density into volume. So pi d square by 4 into L, or not L here, it is x. Pi d square by 4 into x. This is the weight of this dotted area. Okay, rho into this is P into L square. So the length of P into L square. So length here is x square upon 2A. So 2A is pi by 4 d square into E. देखना कुछ हम गलत कर रहे हैं. Length is, first of all, this is PL by A. Okay, so this is P. So length is dx. So this and this is cancelled. So it is d delta. So small deflection is rho x dx upon rho x dx pi y it is 2 into E. So integration when you do and put limit 0 to L. Okay, yes, Prakash. Integration when you do, so from here rho by E is common. X square by 2 will be L square by 2. So rho L square by 2E. Understood? Okay. Now question number 7, guys. Everyone. What is here? In a plane strain problem in XY plane, the shear strain is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 and the normal strain in X and Y is 0. For the state of strain, what is the diameter of Mohr circle for strain? Diameter पूछ रहा है. जल्दी बताओ. Diameter पूछ रहा है. This is epsilon and this is tau by 2. Guys, the point here, when the shear is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 and normal strain in X and Y are 0. So this is 0. So this value is how much? The shear strain is 12 into 10 की power minus 6. This is gamma by 2. So this is 6 into 10 की power minus 6. Tau is, sorry, this gamma is, shear strain is represented by gamma. Gamma is 12 into 10 की power minus 6. So this will be 6 into 10 की power minus 6. So what is the diameter? What is the diameter? C option. If you have not understood from here, let me again tell you guys, this point represents that normal is 0 and shear will be, gamma is 12 into 10 की power minus 6. So this is gamma by 2. So this will be 6 into 10 की power minus 6. Similarly here also. Okay, because here also in y direction it is 0. So like this. Now if you want to do this from formula, guys, see, sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. This is what value? Radius. This is tau max. In case of stress. In case of stress. Correct? In case of stress. So in case of strain, if I want to write the formula, so I have to write sigma is changed to epsilon x and tau is changed to gamma by 2 is equal to, this is tau max here. This is tau max here. So it will be here gamma by 2 max. It will be gamma by 2 max. So this is 0. Beta epsilon x and epsilon y is 0. So gamma by 2 max is, instead this also comes. Gamma by 2 max is, gamma by 2 max is, how much is this? Gamma by 2 max value is square and under root. It is gamma by 2 xy. So gamma xy is 12 into 10 की power minus 6. So this is 6 into 10 की power minus 6. So this maximum value is 6 into 10 की power minus 6. Gamma by 2 max, y coordinate max. So this is also 6 into 10 की power minus 6. So this is C option. Understood? Please put a heart sign if you have understood this, guys. Everyone on the comment section. Everyone in the comment section. Come on. Let us move now to, let me tell you before moving forward that, guys, there is a scholarship test and you can get 90% discount. This will be on 27th of August and Sanjay Rathi sir will be taking a complete workshop on GATE topper, which is in just 5 months. What is the roadmap for the next 5 months? This will be on 29th August on app, guys. Okay, this will be on app at 7:30 p.m. Let us move to question number 8. Do it fast, guys. Come on. Everyone. जल्दी से बता दो आंसर फटाफट. If E is this, an axial pull of 60 kilonewton suddenly applied to a steel of 50 mm in diameter and 4 mm long, it caused an instantaneous elongation of. भाई मेरे पास डायमीटर दे रखा है और आपके पास लेंथ भी दे रखी है. This is 4 meter long और डायमीटर आपके पास है 50 mm. Diameter is 50 mm. In this, a pull is applied. In this, a pull is applied. Pull की वैल्यू भी दे रखी है. E is also given and pull is also given of 60 kilonewton. So what is the instantaneous elongation? The question is, what is the instantaneous elongation? बता दो भाई लोग. Guys, delta will be PL by AE. Okay, but this is the static. This is the static deflection. Instantaneous deflection will be, if height is not mentioned, instantaneous will be delta instantaneous will be 2 times of delta static. जल्दी बता दो. जल्दी बता दो guys. Delta instantaneous is equal to 2 times of delta static. आपके पास डेल्टा स्टैटिक की वैल्यू P आपको दे रखा है 60 किलोमीटर. लेंथ आपके पास दे रखी है, A दे रखा है, E दे रखा है. यहां से आप निकालोगे तो ये नॉर्मल वाली इलोंगेशन आएगी जो सोम में आती है. इसने अलग वाली इंस्टेंटेनियस पूछ दिया तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, करेक्ट आंसर आपके पास आ जाएगा. चलो, ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. 9 पे आ जाओ फटाफट से. एट अ पॉइंट इन अ स्ट्रेन्ड बॉडी देयर आर 2 म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर स्ट्रेस सिग्मा एक्स और सिग्मा वाई की वैल्यू दे रखी है. नो शियर स्ट्रेस. ठीक है, आपके पास बॉडी ऐसा है, यहां से सिग्मा एक्स आपके पास दे रखा है 100 और सिग्मा वाई आपके पास दे रखा है 50 और शियर स्ट्रेस इस बॉडी पर दे रखा है आपके पास 0. शियर स्ट्रेस यहां पर आपके पास दे रखा है 0. आप पूछ क्या रहे हैं भाई साहब, व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ प्रिंसिपल स्ट्रेस, व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ प्रिंसिपल स्ट्रेस, बता दो भाई। सिग्मा 1/सिग्मा 2 का वैल्यू आपसे पूछ रहा है। 20 सेकेंड्स लेफ्ट ऑन द कमेंट सेक्शन। पाबा का पगलेसन, मुझे पता है, मैं जानबूझ के बोल रहा हूँ। पाप, ओके, पर पापा लिखा है आपने, पापा। ओके भाई, इसमें फॉर्मूला लगाने का, फॉर्मूला लगाओगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा, पर फॉर्मूला लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। सीएस टेस्ट कितना दे रखा है, 0। तो जब सीएस टेस्ट 0 है तो उस समय सिग्मा एक्स और सिग्मा वाई जो होते हैं वही प्रिंसिपल स्ट्रेस होते हैं, तो लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। आपको डायरेक्ट आपके 100 और -50 आ जाएगा, टेंशन का प्लस और कंप्रेशन का माइनस, फॉर्मूला लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो आप कराएंगे क्वेश्चन। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। अब बाहर ऑफ सर्कुलर, अच्छा ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। सर्कुलर क्रॉस सेक्शन वेरीज यूनिफॉर्मली फ्रॉम अ डायमीटर 2d टू डी। यहाँ पे डायमीटर 2d है और वेरी कर रहा है डायमीटर d पे। ओके, ये 2d है आपके पास और यहाँ पर डायमीटर है d। ओके, अब इस पे कोई पुल लग रहा होगा, some pull is acting here, suppose let the pull be p. What is the actual deflection of this bar? What is the actual deflection of this bar? The actual deflection of this bar is given by 4pl pi d1 d2 into e. ठीक है, ये ऐसा होता है। और अगर मैं इसको एक इक्विवेलेंट डायमीटर से कंपेयर करूं कि भाई जिसका लेंथ सेम है, इसका l है तो इसका भी l है। If the Young's modulus here is e, it is also e. If the load is p, it is also p. Okay, then what is the d equivalent of this? ऐसा जादुई डायमीटर बताओ, tell me the magical diameter here which produce the same elongation as that of tapered bar. Okay, so here I can apply the formula PL by A because area is constant. PL by A will be only applicable where area is constant. So P into L, A, pi by 4 d equivalent square into E, and this should be equal to this. I want such diameter where deflection is same as this. So this is 4 P L pi d1 d2 E. From here guys, d equivalent is equal to under root d1 d2, that is geometric mean. d equivalent is equal to under root d1 d2, that is geometric mean. But यहाँ पे ये भाई साहब ने क्या कर दिया, दारू पी रखी थी, he was drunk and he has taken the average. He has not taken the geometric mean, he has taken the arithmetic. So what he has done, he has calculated by taking same force, length, Young's modulus, but d equivalent they have taken the average. So d and 2d का average कितना हो गया, 1.5d. d plus 2d by 2, that is 1.5d. So इसका गलत आएगा क्योंकि actual answer is matching from geometric mean. He has taken arithmetic mean. Can anybody in the comment box, कोई माइकल लाल कमेंट बॉक्स में ये बता सकता है गलत कितना परसेंटेज है, तो दूर की बात, कोई ये बता सकता है कि ये इसका वाला आंसर ज्यादा आएगा कि कम आएगा, ये डिफ्लेक्शन ज्यादा रिपोर्ट करेगा असली से या कम, कितना परसेंटेज एरर है, कितना परसेंटेज एरर है वो तो बाद में देख लेंगे, कितना परसेंटेज एरर है वो तो बाद में देख लेंगे, पर ये ज्यादा रिपोर्ट करेगा कि गलत। भाई याद रखना, अर्थमेटिक मीन इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू ज्योमेट्रिक मीन इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू हार्मोनिक मीन। वो अर्थमेटिक मीन ले रहा है डायमीटर, ये ज्योमेट्रिक मीन है। अर्थमेटिक मीन इज ऑलवेज बिगर, arithmetic mean is always bigger, so he is taking the larger diameter, and diameter comes in denominator, PL by A. Diameter comes in denominator, so he will be reporting less deflection. Got it? Diameter is taking more because arithmetic mean is more than geometric mean, but diameter more means diameter is coming in denominator, not PL by A. So denominator is more, so deflection will be less. Okay, so error, if you want to find out percentage error, is the correct formula, that is 4pl pi d into 2d. d1 is d, d2 is 2d, is e, minus from here it is pl by e, pi by 4 1.5 d square into e, from this 4pl pi do d square into e into 100, it will be 11.11%. Got it? ओके, द लेंथ कॉफी, अच्छा ये क्या है, चलो इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसा करूं क्या, उधर दिख नहीं रहा होगा तो, अबे कहाँ चला गया, टाइम हो रहा है बच्चों, अब दिखेगा, चलो द लेंथ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ थर्मल एक्सपेंशन और क्या क्या है, एंड यंग्स मॉडल्स ऑफ बार ए आर ट्वाइस दैट ऑफ बी if the temperature of both bars increase by same amount while preventing any expansion, while preventing, अच्छा मतलब स्ट्रेस आएगा, बढ़ने नहीं दे, रेशियो ऑफ स्ट्रेस, सो सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू ई अल्फा डेल्टा टी। यंग्स मॉडुलस लेंथ उसका डबल है, लेंथ से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, अल्फा से फर्क पड़ेगा और यंग्स मॉडुलस से पड़ेगा, डेल्टा टी तो सेम है ना, तो एल से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, इससे 2 टाइम्स का फर्क पड़ेगा अल्फा, यंग मॉडल से भी 2 टाइम्स फर्क पड़ेगा, तो टोटल 4 आ जाएगा, टोटल 4 आ जाएगा, टोटल 4 आ जाएगा। गॉट इट? नाउ 12th। ओके अगेन इसको ऐसे करेंगे क्या, चलो 12th करो, 12th करो भाई, इसको मैं ऐसे ले आता हूं और थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर देता हूं, अब आप करो, 12th कर लो भाई। दोस्तों जोशी सर आपके बीच में हैं, आपकी पूरी प्रोग्रेस देख रहे हैं उधर से बैठ के, मैं कह रहा हूं कि आ जाओ यहाँ, तो सर अभी शर्मा रहे। ओके चलो, क्या पूछा है, पोर्शन बीसी सब्जेक्टेड टू बीसी। सर ये कल रात को मैं बनाया हूँ, आज मैं रात को 1 ही घंटे सोया हूँ, 3 PM पे।
कल तो रात को आपका सेशन भी था ना?
हाँ ये 3 AM पे बनाया हूँ मैं, मेल भी मैंने इनको 3 AM में जब भी किया होगा, और मैं आज आया घर से 8:45 पे, तो मेरे को लगा कि मैं 9:30 ऑफिस पहुंच जाऊंगा और कुछ काम कर लूंगा, कुछ काम कर लूंगा। आज मेरे को जब 2019 से ज्वाइन किया ग्रेड अप, हाईएस्ट टाइम लगा यहाँ पहुंचने में।
कैसे?
50 टायर वाला ट्रक रास्ते में सेक्टर 62 में नीचे गिरा हुआ था।
शॉर्ट नहीं बनाया आपने?
नहीं शॉर्ट नहीं बनाया, और उसमें भी सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान मेरा हुआ, पूरा जाम लगा हुआ है 2 किलोमीटर का, ट्रक गिरा हुआ था यहाँ पे, सारी रोड यहाँ से भेज रहे थे। जैसी मेरी गाड़ी यहाँ से आते 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 यहाँ पहुंची, जैसी फर्स्ट मतलब लास्ट गाड़ी में निकली, वैसे उन्होंने यहाँ का जो हल्का सा रास्ता बचा था वो खोल दिया।
ओहो,
मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा पीछे होता तो मैं यहाँ के जाम के लिए यहाँ से
डाइवर्ट नहीं होना पड़ता आपको,
तो मतलब सर मेरे को लगा था मैं 9:30 पहुंचूंगा, तो मैं पहुंचा 11।
लेकिन आप माने नहीं, सेशन आपने लिया।
नहीं सेशन तो लेना ही था लेकिन
क्वेश्चन आपने देने थे तो आपने दिए। सही है,
चलो फटाफट से बता दो, सिग्मा कहाँ बताना है, बीसी, सिग्मा पोर्शन बीसी सब्जेक्टेड टू एन एक्सियल स्ट्रेस ऑफ, तो बीसी पे हम निकालते हैं, तो लेफ्ट से देख लो, लेफ्ट से देख लो तो 5000, 3000 एंड 2000, राइट से भी देखो तो 5000 है, 10,000 इधर 5,000 इधर, तो नेट 5,000 ही आ रहा है। सो 5,000 बाय एरिया, एरिया कितना है 5, तो 1000 ही आएगा आपके पास, है ना।
गुड मॉर्निंग किया था मैं, देखा नहीं, सॉरी। गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, प्लीज एंजॉय द सेशन, थैंक यू।
ओके सर, तो इसके बाद आगे आते हैं 13th पर, फटाफट से कर दो, 2 क्वेश्चन और बचे हैं दोस्तों, फिर आपका हो जाएगा, कट ऑफ 10 है, 15 क्वेश्चन में चेक कर लेना आप इतना पार कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं। The limiting magnitude of stress so that result of no change in the length AB. Length AB means, okay, length AB means this is x direction, this is y direction. So length AB means epsilon x 0. Length AB, length is in this direction. Epsilon x is 0. So epsilon x is 0. That means sigma x by E, 60 by E minus mu sigma by E is equal to 0. So sigma is equal to, sigma ही पूछा होगा, 60 बाय म्यू, 60 बाय म्यू 0.3, यही पूछा है ना, तो यहां से 200 आ जाएगा। ठीक है, चलो 13th के बाद 14th, फॉर गिवन इलास्टिक मटेरियल आपके पास इलास्टिक मॉडुलस दे रखा है, पॉइसन रेशियो दे रखा है, व्हाट इज द अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू ऑफ मॉडुलस ऑफ रिजिडिटी, तो ये तो मेरे को पता है, सब कर लेंगे। दिस आई नो दैट एवरीबडी, म्यू इज आल्सो गिवन, ई इज आल्सो गिवन, जी यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, दिस आई एम श्योर यार, this I'm sure guys, this time okay, Sunday का फंडा, I am coming, my whole village is disconnected from India, I am from Uttarakhand, because the only road which is connected us to the nearby headquarter district, only one road, and that road is also not in our village, there is no road. First of all, I am talking about the nearest road from my village. The nearest road from my village is after a walking distance of 2 hours. A mountain you have to climb of 60 degrees. Okay, after climbing for 60 degrees, mountain for 2 hours, then there is a road. In my village, there is no road. So our village is disconnected from the district headquarters. Lot of casualties. Many of the buildings have been destroyed. Fortunately, there is no serious casualty in our village. But more than 400 people have been died in that area. So on that, guys, what should be the preventive measures? Why this happened? I have made a video that will be coming on Sunday ka Funda, this Sunday. So this you can find whatever the value is coming. Okay. 14th question. I told you the formula. Now 15th is not correct. A bending moment diagram can have a change of slope only under transverse load. Okay, correct nahi batana hai. This is correct. Whenever there is a load, that means shear force is changing. And when shear force is changing drastically, the bending moment slope is shear force. Bending moment slope is shear force. So point load will change the shear force. So shear force changes. So slope is changing. The bending moment is maximum where the shear force 0, correct. The non-linear bending moment diagram is possible when the distributed load region. Yes, when the UDL is there or UVL is there, then it will not be linear bending moment, it will be curved. At every support of a continuous beam, the maximum values of negative bending moment in the span are expected. Okay, guys, better that here homework. The last question, this is the last question. Na? Write answers on the comment box. I will reply for every student in the night. I will reply for this particular question, whatever doubt. Okay, in the comment box for every student, guys. Okay, guys, this is the Sunday ka Funda, and this Super Saturday, Vipin sir is coming with a video, and Sunday ka Funda I will be coming for civil about the Uttarakhand and Himachal. Now, vision courses are available, guys. You can join our courses. Okay, I have a doubt regarding RCC. Can I ask? Yes, you can ask in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. Whenever RCC, I'm not a teacher of RCC, but if I know that particular thing, I'll be telling you. Okay, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. You can join that. Okay, and this is Sunday ka Funda this time. Sign bhi kar diya maine. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you all. Take care, guys. Take care. Good night. Thank you. Not good night, yaar. Usually, I am taking sessions in night, so I have a habit of saying good night. Good day, guys. Thank you.